Daily your teachers teaches you new topic. Maybe some are complex formula, some are complex equation. The question is, how do you remember each and every formula? Don't you feel it's confusing? Don't you feel it's difficult to remember? Some formulas may be complex, some formulas are complicated. Isn't it every student's problem? Are you one among them who is facing this problem? Hey everyone, myself Aishwarya. All of you know me as an educator. Today I am here to give you the answer of this tough question in a very simple solution. Hey, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to change your mindset. At the end of this video, you are going to say that no complex formula exists, no complicated equations exist. So till your lifelong, you are going to remember each and every equation. At least if you are going for your semester exam, if you are appearing for your semester exam, at least definitely without any failure, without any error, you can completely remember the equations and formula to solve some complicated problems. Today you might be thinking that what's a new thing that I'm going to discuss here today? You can take a pen and paper, simply start writing and practicing. But this is not my strategy to remember or my strategy or have experimented in my 8.5 years of experience. Today I'm going to share that with all of you. Pen and paper is not only the solution. Yes, pen and paper is required, but that is not a prime start to remember the complex formulas and equations. So today, the first I'm going to share the basic tips and tricks that how you can easily remember complex formulas and equations. In my last few years of experience, I have come up and have experimented on my students, and I have observed that some of the certain steps that you need to follow to remember some of the complex formulas and equations very easily. So let's get started. So first and foremost thing is you need to observe the equation. First you need to observe the formula. Then you need to analyze that certain trends, each and every formula follow its own trends. You can use some numerical value to remember some tricks and tricks. So one of the video I have made in certain different chapters, which I'll be providing in the I button and also will be available in my description box as well. So go and check those complicated equations and formula where I've discussed, and I have followed the same thing while teaching to my students, and I have gone the output. It's a very good positive output I have checked, and in my 8.5 years, as I've said, more than that, and I have seen students have not made a simple error in remembering such a complicated formula. So first and foremost is a observation, observe the formula or equation. Second is analyze what are the numerical values you can take or the alphabetical order you can take. Likewise, you can remember. Third one is after remembering some trends, some tips, how you're approaching to your analyzing the formula or equation, you can practice. Then only you practice that in the form of write up as per your mindset. So then go for practice. But if without understanding, without keeping some clue or tips and tricks in your mindset, there is a huge chance that you can get error. So this is the solution that you can remember your formulas, complicated formulas and equation till the end. I hope this is information I have shared, and many of you have texted me, have dropped in my comment that how you can remember the formula, because it's a huge challenge for the student that how they can remember such a complicated formula. And if any one of my students is watching this video and you have really failed that, it's really, so do share and subscribe, and if anyone has found it's valuable, and do share with the needy fellows as well. So see you in the next video. Take care and fly high.